Apps for project management. It's myOrganized.life live, June 24th, 2019. Okay, projects.
Happy Monday.
Happy Monday to you. I have so many projects going on.
Do you?
That this little Post-it note cannot contain all of them. Because it was
There's
the only
nothing
prop,
on there, so
it doesn't
look like it doesn't look like you have anything going on.
I am super busy right now.
Whew. Yes.
Hey, guess what?
What?
This is myOrganized.life live. I'm John Hunt.
And I'm Leanne Thompson.
This is the show where we give you organizing tips, advice, and on Mondays we help you with your projects. Actually, we don't. That's the topic today.
That's the topic today.
Apps, though.
Apps. Mondays we go to a podcast flashback.
Yes, but
we're talking about apps in the cloud, and we're talking
actually,
with Darla
the
DeMoro.
podcast is all about getting organized in the cloud. It's such a big thing that we had two episodes.
Yeah, I know.
What was it, number 1?
192.
And then 193.
Yes.
We talk about all kinds of things about getting organized in the cloud, and part of that conversation with Darla DeMoro was project management.
Yeah, and Evernote and
in fact, this little segment here that we're going to show you, we started talking about, well, is Evernote a good project management app? Because, you know, everybody loves Evernote, right?
Everyone loves their Evernote.
But
and
she
their
had
apps.
a different answer.
Yes, she did.
And let's hear what Darla had to say. Project management is a whole art in itself, and you know that as a certified professional organizer. Is Evernote the go-to for that, or is there other apps that maybe would work well for project management?
You know, I have used Evernote for project management, but the one I'm using lately that I really like is called Asana, A-S-A-N-A. And it's a very clever project management tool. You can use it if you're just a one-person business, or you can use it for complex projects, maybe even just a hobby that you're working on. But you can also use it for business management if you have a team. And my team and I use Asana on a daily basis.
Now, how does that differ from Evernote? What's the functionality differences between it? Is it a project file plus? I mean, how does it work?
So I think Evernote adds more of sticky notes in the sky.
Okay.
So I think of Evernote as a great place to park information and then move it around or be able to search it quickly if I need it. Asana, on the other hand, lets me create projects with lots of little tasks that are embedded, and then I can go in and update the tasks, and I can end up with a board that really looks like sticky notes, you know, specifically about this project, and then I can portion out different projects, and I can invite certain people to the projects, and they can update the tasks within an Asana board that I've assigned them to, but they don't have to see everything. So again, in a team like mine where I have employees who only need to see certain things, it's great.
Okay, Asana.
Interesting. I have never tried it, nor do I ever use Evernote.
No, I still like my...
you like your blank Post-it?
I like my blank Post-it
because
note.
that shows that you have nothing to do.
I have nothing to do. No,
I
get
prefer,
accused of that a lot
I
around
prefer
here.
the old pen and paper anyway.
Yeah. Well, you know what I actually like? I like, you know, the project organizer.
Yes, you do. I know.
You know, which is one of our many our products here.
Yes.
And guess what?
What?
It's 25% off. Isn't that a good
it is.
segue into the myOrganized.life summer sale, which only has 6 more days left?
Yeah.
So
the
you
30th,
have
which is
it.
what?
Yeah, it's
Monday?
next Sunday.
Next Sunday. Okay.
Yeah, so if you don't have your summer sale shopping done yet, you need to go now. Go to
FB Hot 25.
Yeah, FB Hot 25. You put that in the coupon code, so you fill your cart.
At the checkout.
You fill it with as much stuff as it possibly can hold, and then you put that code in. It takes 25% off.
The entire
Doesn't matter what you put in there.
All
It's
right.
everything.
Cool.
myOrganized.life.
Nice.
Did I tell you that?
Yes, you did.
I did. See, that was my project for today, was how to promote the summer sale
Okay.
during this show on apps for project management.
Good.
You know, and I guess, you know, myOrganized.life is not really an app. It's a
No,
website,
it's
but
a
you know, a
website.
lot of apps are kind of like websites,
I know,
but they
they are.
sit
It's
on
just
your
a
phone.
simplified type deal.
Yes, but for those, just a review, who want to learn out more about apps in organizing, you can go to podcast number
192 at sme.com/podcast.
There we go.
Scroll down to number 192 and you'll find Darla's podcast on, it's actually called How to Stay Organized in the Cloud.
In the cloud. So there's all kinds of things. We explain what the cloud is for those who don't know what the cloud is.
It's not just the white things outside.
No, it isn't.
In the sky.
So it's a great podcast. I remember I really enjoyed doing that, and she did an excellent job. So head over to sme.com and watch or listen to that. Or you can come back for a brand new podcast
On
Wednesday with Julie Bestry.
Yes, and she's talking about traveling and lists and everything.
Well, it is travel time of the year.
It is, and she just got back from a big trip also.
Yeah, and next week, big travel week. In fact, I heard on the radio driving in this morning that the car travel is way up.
Really?
And gas prices are way down. Now, of course, if you watch this show on Tuesday, they might change, but like the average price of a gallon of gas is like $2.66.
Oh, okay.
Now up the street, on on my way home from work, stop there. It was $2.53.
Ooh, nice.
At the Speedway.
Shout
out to Speedway.
Shout out. I filled up this morning and I didn't even look at the price of gas.
I know. When it's down around $2.50 or $2.75.
Well, it's all like, you have to do it anyway.
Yeah. What are you gonna do? Like
not
drive 5 miles to save 1 cent?
Right. No.
Some people do that, like me, occasionally. I wish I lived closer to Costco, because Costco does have like the lowest price, but it's on the other side of town, so I gotta like coordinate when I'm over there to fill it up. But it's like sometimes like 5 to 10 cents a gallon less.
All right, now we're getting off track.
Let's go. So we've got Wednesday covered.
Yes.
And
tomorrow is
Tuesday.
It's Tuesday. We'll be back tomorrow.
We'll be back. We're here all week.
At 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
Central.
2 Central, 3 Eastern, noon Pacific.
Yes.
It is myOrganized.life live. It's the summer sale at myOrganized.life with 25% off office products like file folders, hanging folders, accordion files, and presentation products. You can get it at myOrganized.life. That's myOrganized.life. 25% off all products. It's our summer sale at myOrganized.life.